This is Elantra in regular mode before we put on the intake. Can't really hear the intake or the turbo swoosh at all. So we'll see right now when we install the intake what's the difference. Sounds so whack. Let's go take a drive real quick. Now. I have it in custom in mode 2, which is basically steering and no exhaust, just engine and trans. I got my 6th element open ram intake. Got the pipe here, filter, got all the hardware in here, instructions. You got this mounting plate and a couple couplers. And get it started. Let's take these off first. Should have saved all the hardware. Let's see. Oh, there goes the first fucking pinch. To remove this whole shit. There you go. So remove this one and this one too. That shit fucking hurt, bro. Put this here. Probably remove this one as well. Just remove the engine on the engine cover as well. Whew, shit's hot as fuck. Let's get this one out. Fucking turbo's hot. That came off pretty good. Move that there. There. Got another one right here by the ECU. Wrong size or what the fuck? Jesus Christ, when they all this shit, they cross-threaded it, bro. What the fuck? Alright. Last one is back there. Well, that ain't good enough. There's a coupler right there. Should come off as a unit. Put this coupler off. Put it in the stock intake. Fuck, shit's hot. Back in there nice and neat. Alright, now to make the actual intake. Oh, nice. Alright, let's see. Size are these 3 9/16ths, number 11, 2 5/16ths, which is this one here. That one goes here. Number 10, 3 9/16ths. It's gonna be this one here. Get it over here. Number 10, which is 3 9/16ths as well. So there's two 3 9/16ths. Oops. Pretty much how the picture looks. Make sure all around it's nice and centered. This one's not centered right here. Last one is the air. go. So let's test fit it real quick. Alright, looks like my GoPro got hot. I don't even know what point in time, but pretty much all the tools you need is a 3/8. If you have one, a 3/8 power tool, an extension, 3/8 extension with the 10mm deep socket. You can have one of these ratchets. Didn't really use it, but it's handy to have it. These pliers were good for the job, but definitely could be other better ones. Small flathead screwdriver, 3-inch flathead, and then a longer flathead, and a flashlight, of course. So the intake is out already. Took everything out, put all the old hardware in here, which was just pretty much 3 bolts, and the intake is in. We have so basically it has what I like about this intake is it has a OEM mounting position in here, and you have to actually screw the bottom piece first prior to putting the stud in through the bracket, and then putting the nut on top and tightening it up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clamps, just 8 mils or flatheads. You have this hose here, and then that PCV hose. Just need to remove the clamps, and you also have to remove these pieces from them and leave them on the old ones, as well as that one. And you have 2 little screws there. Actually they're retainers here and here. And we have 1, 2, 3 10 mil. You have 1, 2 here, 3 10 millimeters, and then of course you have to remove this and that to be able to remove this intake. Unfortunately, I don't know when my GoPro died, but yeah, it looks pretty clean. I was able to put the OEM engine cover back on, and let's see how it sounds. Alrighty, so we've already installed the open box short ram intake from sxth Element, and now we're gonna hear to see if we hear any turbo noises. Oh yeah, you could definitely hear more. Sheesh. I don't know if that's picking it up or not. We'll go normal mode first. Alright, so train finally left. So now let's see. This is just in D mode. Sheesh. Yeah, you can definitely hear it. Sick. See you in cabin. That was normal mode. Go ahead and put it in sport mode and see how it sounds. Zooming. I really don't like it in sport mode. Let's try it in eco mode. So I'm gonna try and custom N mode or N custom mode 2. Basically it's engine and trans only. Everything else is normal, which is steering, suspension, ELSD, and exhaust. See how this one does. Sheesh. Definitely add some sound to the turbo for sure. Oops, there goes my intake, my stock intake. Or it could have been my cleaning supplies. Let me check real quick. Where were we? Were we in cabin now? Downshift sounds deadly, bro. Oh shit. I did that last turn around in N mode. It's gonna be pretty much all exhaust. What you guys think in the comments. Is it worth it? It's cost $2.99 US dollars. Shipped pretty quick, like about a week and a half. 6 Element was pretty good with it. Sorry you guys for the sun, but it's pretty much, no, it's not working at all. It's pretty much it for the video. Comment, like, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys, the 60 followers I have. I didn't start the YouTube journey too long ago and I already have 60 followers, which is pretty cool. The intake, I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. Give a thumbs up, thumbs down. Have a good one.